Ripple CLO Alderoty highlights SEC's latest defeat that could impact Ripple lawsuit. The chief legal officer of Ripple, this article by Stuart Alderoty covers the most recent legal issues that the SEC is facing, which may have far-reaching repercussions for the ongoing action against Ripple. A petition by the SEC was denied by the court. The recent setback of the United States Securities and Exchange Agency was brought up in the lawsuit that the agency filed against Aaron Govel. In a recent turn of events, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals decided not to revisit the ruling that it had previously made in the Govel case. According to the ruling of the court, the Securities and Exchange Commission is not permitted to demand disgorgement from an issuer or sale if the buyer did not suffer any economic losses. It is important to note that the decision was initially delivered by the Second Circuit Court of Appeals in 2010. Because the regulatory agency was dissatisfied with the verdict, it submitted a notice of appeal in an effort to overturn the decision. On the other hand, the court upheld its earlier ruling and, as a result, rejected the SEC's request for a review. In a comment, Alderoty brought out the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission has been losing, particularly in judicial battles. It is possible that the stance of the Second Circuit, which indicates that the Securities and Exchange Commission cannot request a significant disgorgement without first establishing that investors experienced financial losses, is relevant to the ongoing litigation against Ripple. It is important to keep in mind that the Securities and Exchange Commission is targeting Ripple with penalties and fines totaling over $2 billion as a result of the company's violation of federal securities laws through its institutional sales of XRP. The cryptocurrency payments business Ripple could use the decision made by Govel to strengthen its case in order to persuade Judge Annalisa Torres not to approve the request made by the SEC. Ripple is slated to file its objection to the SEC's remedies-related brief by the 22nd of April. If Judge Torres were to agree with Ripple's viewpoint, the question that would be at the center of the dispute would be whether or not investors experience financial losses as a result of purchasing XRP. Ripple's institutional sales of XRP are the focus of the remedy stage of the lawsuit that the company is now undertaking. Therefore, in the event that Ripple is forced to pay disgorgement in accordance with the judgment made by the government, the cryptocurrency payments business will solely concentrate on institutional customers who purchased XRP at a price that is higher than the current price. A total of 0.5,977 worth of XRP was traded at the time that this paragraph was written. Within the initial complaint filed by the SEC, it was stated that Ripple had participated in illegal sales of XRP between the years 2013 and 2020. During the most of this time period, the price of XRP was priced lower than its current value of 0.5,977. However, during market peaks, the price reached a number of highs, including the all-time high of 3.31 in January of 2018. Nevertheless, it is important to point out that the SEC's complaint was based exclusively on Ripple's inability to register their sales with the SEC. It was not based on an allegation that the institutional investors had suffered losses. I would like to take advantage of this opportunity to talk to you about an amazing platform that has the potential to bring in a big amount of money for you. In order to ensure that you do not miss out on this chance, it is imperative that you sign up using the registration link that is provided in the description of this video. Guys, you are going to make a significant amount of money here. If you sign up for an account at the Bitmart exchange and make your initial deposit of $100, you will be eligible to get a bonus of $3,000 right away. Are you not blown away by this? It is important to note, however, that in order to access the website, you will also require a virtual private network PM because the website is still in its early phases of development. XVPN is available for purchase in the markets that are tailored to the Android and iOS operating systems, making it accessible to users of those platforms. Again, the platform provides a great lot of benefits, one of which is copy trading, which enables you to trade without any prior knowledge of trading by applying expert trading tactics and quickly secure a big amount of money. Copy trading is only one of the many advantages that the platform provides. Those of you who are reading this, you absolutely do not want to lose out on this opportunity. They are interested in aiding you in purchasing, selling, and storing your Bitcoin, regardless of whether you are an individual or an institution. That is because they are interested in helping you. It is our firm view that the decentralized digital currency will bring about a significant transformation in the economic structure of the entire world. The world will experience an increase in economic creativity, efficiency, and equality as a result of this form of financial freedom becoming more widespread. Their goal is to ensure that cryptocurrencies are available to everyone whenever and wherever they are needed. Nevertheless, this will not take place until we design solutions that are not only easy to use, but also risk-free. This will make it possible for individuals and organizations from all over the world to investigate and interact with this new frontier. A number of their professional staff members have past experience working for organizations such as Amazon, Accenture, Tencent, Alibaba, and other prominent technology companies. As a result of their collaborative efforts, they have developed a financial platform that is not only more user-friendly, but also more cost-effective. Their ultimate objective is to include each and every person on the earth. Over the course of the global mission, the team has expanded by leaps and bounds in order to hasten the transition of the world to a highly efficient global financial system. This is being done with the intention of expediting the transition. One of the most important aspects of the functioning of the monetary system is the concept of trust, which also acts as the core of the decentralized token economy. They have a comprehensive understanding of all of the challenges that the Bitcoin ecosystem is currently facing at the moment. In light of this, they are committed to maintaining compliance requirements, reliability standards, security standards, and customer service standards, and they strive to deliver a seamless user experience in order to attract and maintain confidence. As a global exchange platform, we have high hopes that the halo of digital assets would be advantageous to each and every participant. We hope that everybody will benefit from it. Creating an environment that is easily accessible and has a suitable entrance barrier for each and every conceivable investor is the objective that they have set for themselves in order to make the digital assets relevant. Bitmart provides a wide range of services that are specifically designed to cater to the requirements of its customers, regardless of whether they are inexperienced traders or seasoned investors seeking support. Let's get back to our video, the SEC and Ripple, the future of Ripple following its appeal to the SEC. A key development in the appeal of the SEC's gold case has been brought to the attention of Stuart Alderoty, Chief Legal Officer of Ripple via Twitter. This development could have a significant impact on the lawsuit that Ripple is currently involved in with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. According to Alderoty, the Securities and Exchange Commission versus go get judgment from the Second Circuit Court of Appeals is quite important. Specifically, he highlights a crucial aspect of the ruling, which states that the SEC cannot demand disgorgement from the seller if the buyer does not incur any financial loss. This comment chimes with the ongoing tension surrounding the SEC's unreasonable demand that Ripple submit a $2 billion file detailing the unregistered sale of XRP coins and the profit made from them. From Bill Morgan's point of view, after Alderoty tweeted about the SEC's stance and its possible effects on Ripple, a lawyer by the name of Bill Morgan responded with a more detailed explanation. Morgan describes the SEC's Securities and Exchange Commission decision-making process, drawing attention to the agency's efforts to discourage investment due to the alleged financial harm it does to investors' interests. Morgan claims that the Securities and Exchange Commission would have demanded that Ripple reveal the discounts given to favored institutional investors to non-favored ones if the company had registered the sales. That's all for now.